What's the meaning of code? Code. Code.
Code. Code. The term code refers to a set of instructions or rules used to create software programs, websites, applications, and other forms of technology. These instructions are typically written in various programming languages and are designed to be processed by computers so that they can perform specific tasks or actions. Code serves as the backbone of modern technology and is critically important for everything from mobile apps to complex databases. It enables developers to bring their ideas to life and create powerful tools that can solve real-world problems.